Hello, good day everyone. My name is FULGENCIO, and in this video we'll talk about one of the greatest physician and scientist, Franciscus Sylvius, in his work in the field of science and technology. But first, let's define what is science and technology.
Science is a systematic and methodical activity of building and organizing knowledge, while the technology is the application of scientific knowledge, laws, and principles. Many people contributed in the evolution of science and technology. Scientists and inventors who contributed to the field of medicines, physics, chemistry, and technological developments.
One of them is Franciscus Sylvius. Franciscus Sylvius, also known as Franz de Labau, was born on March 15, 1614. He was also known as a Dutch physician and a scientist.
Francisco studied his medical degree at the Academy of Sedan, Leiden University, and University of Basel. Francisco is an early champion of Descartes, von Helmont's, and William Harvey's work and theories.
He researched the structure of the brain and was credited as a discoverer of the cleft in the brain.
The cleft of the brain, also known as the Sylvian fissure. It is a large diagonal fissure on the lateral surface of the brain which separates off the temporal lobe. It is one of the most prominent features of the brain. One of its functions is to provide the sole passageway for the middle artery.
One of Francisco's another discovery is the cerebral aqueduct, also known as the aqueduct of Sylvius.
The cerebral aqueduct is located in the midbrain, dorsal to the pons and ventral to the cerebellum. It travels through the midline of the dorsal part of the midbrain. One of its functions is to allow the fluid flow between the ventricles. The ventricular system and the fluid are necessary for brain protection, allowing the fluid to flow between the third and fourth ventricles. The cerebral aqueduct is an important conduit for cerebrospinal fluid in the cerebral ventricular system. It does not produce any fluid, but it does allow the fluid to flow in the third and fourth ventricle. Here's a visual aid that shows how the cerebral fluid flows.
Franciscus Sylvius' work, research, and discovery surely made an impact to the society and science, especially in the study of the brain, also referred as the neuroscience.
The neuroscience deals with the study of the brain. It explores, research, and search for furthermore information about our brain. Without Sylvius' discovery, this field's development might be hung up or in a delay. There are many inventors and scientists who help us in developing our science and technology studies. Without them, the evolution of our system, knowledge, and lifestyle would be impossible.